Hello students, myself Rekha. Maths teaches us that every problem has a solution even in life. Let's start our class. Today we will do class 10, 6th lesson, triangles lesson, exercise 6.3, 13th question. This is very easy question. Carefully listen. See here, is not given the diagram. We will read the question, we will understand and we will draw the diagram. See here, beta, what is the question is there? D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. We have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. We have to prove this is the question. So now we will draw the diagram. How to draw the diagram? Carefully listen. See here. First we will draw the triangle. Which triangle? ABC triangle. Now you draw one triangle, that is ABC. See here. ABC. See here. This triangle drawing after, what is there? See, D is a point on side BC. BC side, this is the BC side. On BC side, D is a point. So now you draw the point. Anywhere you take point, that is a D. D taking after, here what is given? ADC, angle ADC. See better, try to understand. Angle ADC. So join AD. So now angle ADC, this angle. Okay, you take one here. Angle ADC equal to BAC. BAC. BAC meaning this full angle. See here. DAC, this angle, and BAC. So this full angle. Both are equal. Now here we will prove what means CA square equal to CB into CD. See here. CA square is equal to CB into CD we have to prove. So here CA square given. CA square means this side we have to take 2 times. So which 2 triangles now we have to compare means first we will compare ABC triangle. ABC triangle means you will get AC. Next, we will take ADC triangle. ADC triangle taking means again you will get AC. So first we will compare these 2 triangles. Which triangle? ABC. ABC means AC is there. Next ADC you take. ADC taking means also AD is there. So now we will compare ABC triangle and ADC triangle. See here. Now we will start. Which triangle we will take? First we will write triangle ABC. See here, dark pen I will take. Triangle ABC and we will take what? ABC triangle and triangle ADC we will take. See here, in this diagram we will see. See here, which triangle we will compare? This triangle and this triangle. See here, ABC triangle. Why means AC will come in this one. Next we will compare ADC triangle. These 2 triangle we will compare. See here. ABC triangle taking means see beta. See here. ABC triangle taking means here C is there. Okay. Next ADC taking also here C is there. So C is the common angle. So this point you write it. Angle C is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Common angle. Common angle you can write it. Next, one more angle equal proved means angle criteria to these 2 triangles, similar triangle we can prove chances there. See here, in question is given. See here, in ADC triangle is there means this angle. Next, ABC triangle is there means this full angle. This full. These 2 angles are equal. What is the reason? Is given in the question. So that point we can write it. Now here we will write that point. See here. What is there? First, this big triangle we will take. Big triangle taking means BAC. See beta. Big triangle taking means BAC. This angle equal. So now we will write in triangle ABC, angle A and in this triangle, angle D equal. So first ABC triangle we will write. ABC triangle taking means BAC, this angle equal. So now we will write angle BAC equal to ADC triangle taking means this angle equal. So now we can write ADC triangle. Both are equal. What is the reason? Is given in the question. Is given in the question. Not understood means I will explain once again. See, this triangle is there. Two triangles we will draw. ABC triangle. Next, one more triangle. What we are comparing? ADC we are comparing. Okay. See, C is the common angle. Angle C is equal to angle C we written. Next, in question given what? Angle A equal to angle D. So, angle A equal to angle D is given in the question. So, these two triangles comparing means C is the common angle. Angle A is equal to angle D is given in the question. So, which criteria chance is there? Angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. So, now we will write see a triangle A, B, C similar to triangle, which one? C is the common angle. See here writing carefully we will write. See here, ABC similar to, try to understand better this concept how we will write. See here, ABC triangle. We are taking ABC similar to, see here, C is the common angle. We write it here. So A2 we are starting. This angle equal is there. This angle equal is given in the question. ABC we are taking means here we will take DAC we will take. So here similar to DAC. First one however we write. This similar taking time, compare this one you have to take it. So here we are taking ABC similar. Next this angle too we have started. So angle DAC similar. So ABC similar to which triangle? Triangle DAC both are similar. What is the reason? Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangle. This is finished. But now we will prove what? CA square is equal to CB into CD. So now these two triangles similar we are proved. So we will take all angles are equal. Two angles equal means third angle also equal. So similar means their sides also proportional. That proportional to we will prove this one. Okay, see here. Keep in your mind answer and we will write. See here. Here we don't need the ABC here. Here CA square, CB square, CD square. Here don't need the AB. So these two AB leaving and remaining two sides we will take the similar. Now carefully listen. In this one AB don't want. We want AC. Okay. So now we will take this one. Okay. CA square is equal to CA square this side. Okay. CA. This proportional what is there? CD. Try to understand better. CA proportional CD. CA proportional CD. Next, what is there? BC. This one we will take. AB we don't need, so we will not take. So BC. BC proportional. BC proportional. AC or CA. Anyone you can write. This AC we can write. CA also we can write. So C. Okay. CA. CA by here CD. Next here, in this one, BC, AB we don't need. So, here first you take BC, next AC or CA, anyone you take it. So, these two sides we are taking proportional. Why means these two triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles means their corresponding sides are the proportional. Here which criteria to be proved? Angle criteria to be proved. These two triangles are similar triangles. So, their corresponding sides we can take the proportional. So, CA by CD. Next, BC by AC. Now see, now we will do cross multiplication. CA, cross multiplication means CA into CA. CA into CA is equal to CD into BC. CD into BC or BC into CD. However be right, no problem. CA into CA square is equal to CD into BC. This is the answer. Okay, are you clear? I think not understood means once again you watch it. See, first we will take angle C common angle. Next, here angle D is equal to angle A. We are taking means these two triangles are similar triangle. Which criteria? Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar over. Similar after we will take similar triangles means we will take sides are proportional. So proportional time CA by CD. CA by CD is equal to BC by CA. BC by CA. This one taking after you do the cross multiplication, CA into CA, you will get CA square. Next, CB into DC. This one is the proof. I hope, are you clear? I think again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.